Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to 9th standard maths class. The last class we have discussed exercise 9.1 first 5 sum. So now we are going to see the exercise 9.1 the 6th sum. The sum is two dice are rolled. Find the probability that the sum is equal to 1, the sum is equal to 4, the sum is less than 13. Okay. The solution: when two dice are rolled, we get the number of sample space are 36. Okay, here I write the sample space as is equal to the set of all 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, then 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, then 6, 6. Okay, so the total number of sample space n of s is equal to 36. Okay, the question is, what is the probability that the sum is equal to 1? The first question. Okay, so let A be the event of getting a sum is equal to 1. Okay, so the n of A equal to, listen carefully, what is A? A be the event of getting a sum is equal to 1. Okay, consider the sample space. The minimum sum is 2. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Okay, the minimum sum is 2. So the given event is impossible event. Okay, the probability of impossible event is 0. Therefore, n of A equal to 0, the P of A is also 0, since A is an impossible event because the minimum sum is 2. Okay, then the second question, what is the probability that sum is equal to 4? Okay, so let B be the event of getting a sum is equal to 4. Okay, so the B is equal to set of all. What are the possible of sum we get 4? Compare the sample space. So 1 plus 3 is 4, then 2 plus 2 is 4, then 3 plus 1 is 4. That's all. So we get only the 3 possibilities: 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Therefore, the events are 1, 3, 2, 2, and 3, 1. That's all. So what is n of B? The number of event is 3. So P of B equal to n of B divided by n of S, which is equal to 3 divided by 36. Then making the cancellation, 1 3s of 3, this is 12 3s of 36, which is equal to 1 divided by 12. Have you understood? The last subdivision is, what is the probability that the sum is less than 13? Okay, so let C be the event of getting the sum is less than 13. Okay, the C is equal to set of all. Consider the sample space. The sum of the value must be less than 13. Okay, this 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, so and so on. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So all the outcomes are is sum of the value is less than 13. Okay, so the C is equal to the sample space. Therefore the C is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 is and so on 6 comma 6. Okay, so the n of C is equal to 36. Therefore P of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. N of C is equal to 36, n of S also the 36. So the probability of the event is 1. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay, then 7th question. A manufacturer tested 7000 LED lights at random and found that 25 of them were defective. If a LED light is selected at random, what is the probability that the selected LED light is a defective one? Okay, the solution. The number of LED light is what? 7000. Okay, so the n of S is here 7000. Okay, then what is the question? What is the probability that the selected LED light is a defective one? Okay, so need to find the probability of the defective one. So let A be the event of getting a defective LED lights. Okay, the number of defective LED lights are from the question 25. Corresponding probability P of A equal to n of A divided by n of S, which is equal to 25 divided by 7000. Okay, so then making the cancellation, this is 1 time, this is for 280 time. Okay, therefore P of A equal to 1 divided by 280. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Then the 8th question. In a football match, a goalkeeper of team can stop the goal 32 times out of 40 attempts tied by a team. Find the probability that the opponent team can convert the attempt into a goal. Okay, listen carefully. The question is, find the probability that the opponent team can convert the attempt in a goal. Okay, the solution. The total number of attempt is 40. Okay, so the n of S equal to 40. Okay, the required probability is convert a goal. Okay, the probability of converting a goal. The number of goal in the opponent team equal to totally 32 attempts are failed out of 40. Okay, so 40 minus 32 equal to 8. So the 8 goal in the opponent team. Therefore let A be the event that the opponent team can convert the attempts into a goal. Okay, therefore n of A equal to 8. the P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S, which is equal to 8 divided by 40. Okay, then 1 eighths of 8, 5 eighths of 40. Therefore, the P of A equal to 1 divided by 5. P of A equal to 1 by 5. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay, next 9th question. What is the probability that the spinner will not land on a multiple of 3? Okay, consider the diagram. This is the spinner. The spinner has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers. Your question is, what is the probability that the spinner will not land on a multiple of 3? Okay, that means complement event of landing on the multiple of 3. Okay. Okay, the solution, the N of S is 8 because a spinner has 8 numbers. Okay, let A be the event of landing on a number in multiple of 3. Okay. So A is equal to set of all the multiple of 3's are 3, 6. That's all. These two numbers only lies between 1 to 8, the multiples of 3. Okay. So N of A is 2. Therefore, P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S, which is equal to 2 divided by 8. Then 1 2's are 2, 4 2's are 8, equal to 1 divided by 4. This is the probability that the spinner will land on a multiple of 3. Okay, your question is probability that the spinner will not land on a multiple of 3. Okay, therefore the required answer is P of A complement. Okay, which is equal to 1 minus P of A, since P of A plus P of A complement equal to 1. Okay, the sum of the event and the complement event is equal to 1. Okay, so substitute the value, which is equal to 1 minus P of A is 1 by 4, is equal to 1 fourths of 4 minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, then P of A complement equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 4. Okay, this is the required probability. Okay, dear students, today's homework, book page number 297 and 299, example 9.3 and exercise 9.1, question number 10. The 10th question is, frame 2 problem in calculating probability based on the spinner. Okay, so consider the 9th question spinner, frame any 2 questions and also calculating the probability. For example, what is the probability that the spinner will land on the multiple of 2 or will not land on the multiple of 2? Okay, following same manner of 9th question to form any 2 questions. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you to all.